Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Tangerine customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down tangerine.ca and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, in the top right there's this help icon. You need to open to that help icon. And once you reach inside this help center over here, you can simply scroll a bit down and these are the FAQs, frequently asked questions here. So over here, if you find any relatable question issues, what you can do is you can open a question here. And after that, you'll find this instruction. So you can also go back and from here scroll a bit down. And if you need more help, you can go to this contact us here. And over here, you'll get this phone number. If you have any issue with everyday banking, you can simply call to this number here. And before contacting, make sure you have your client number, account information. And however, never share your password, PIN, or one-time verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.